I think that, the thing that I believe I can speak for the group, and it's not in my nature to do that, but it just,
Yeah, right.
it really is just the passion and love for music, in all its forms,
Definitely.
really.
We've all had varied careers, and this has become a very special hobby for us.
Some of us are still working.
Yes. Yeah.
We're the Pickled Peppers Kitchen Band, and we're here to play for you. We'll laugh and sing and have some fun and chase away the blues. So sit right back and clap your hands and throw your cares away. We're the Pickled Peppers Kitchen Band, and we're here to play today. We're the Pickled Peppers Kitchen Band, and we're here to play today.
I'm Jane.
I'm Sandra.
I'm Marcy.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Joan.
I'm Sue. Oh yes, we're the Pickled Peppers Band.
We'll laugh and sing and have some fun
And make you all our fans. So sit right back, enjoy the show, and throw your cares away. We're the Pickled Peppers Kitchen Band, and we're here to play today. We're the Pickled Peppers Kitchen Band, and we're here to play today. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a gal at the head of the creek. Go up to see her about the middle of the week. Kiss her on the mouth just as sweet as any wine. Wrap herself around me like a sweet potato pie. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl. Girls on Cripple Creek about half grown. Jump on a boy like a dog on a bone. Roll my bridges up to my knees. I'll wade old Cripple Creek when I please. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl. Cripple Creek's wide and Cripple Creek's deep. I'll wade old Cripple Creek before I sleep. Roads are rocky and the hillside's muddy, and I'm so drunk that I can't stand steady. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl. It rained about a week or more. Never saw such fun before. Ran around naked like little greased pigs. Stood on their heads and danced a jig. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl. When Grandma died at 102, we danced and we sang like she asked us to. Folks drove in from miles around to help lay Grandma in the ground. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl. Going up Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up Cripple Creek to have a little fun. Going up Cripple Creek, going in a whirl. Going up Cripple Creek to see my girl.
We just love the music, and we love harmonizing together and just, being a group that puts together a song and makes it something really cool,
And it's fun to see the audience respond and smile, and it makes it a lot of fun. And plus, different members bring in different kinds of music too, and so that makes it fun for everybody.
They call it that good old Mountain Dew, and them that refuse it are few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Down the road from me, there's an old holler tree where they make up $1 or two or three. Around the minute when you come back again, there's a jug of that good old Mountain Dew. Sing it with us. They call it that good old Mountain Dew, and them that refuse it are few. Darn few! I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Well, my Uncle Bill has a still up on the hill where he takes a gallon or two. Or three. Buzzards in the sky get so drunk they cannot fly just from smelling that good old Mountain Dew. They call it that good old Mountain Dew, and them that refuse it are few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew.
Got a brand new perfume. It has such a sweet smelling dew.
Hey, you!
Weren't she surprised when they had it analyzed? It was nothing but that good old Mountain Dew.
Yoo-hoo! They call it that good old Mountain Dew, and them that refuse it are few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Here we go. You take a little trash and you mix it some mash, then you throw in the sole of a shoe. Stir it a while with a rusty old file, and that's how you get that good old Mountain Dew. They call it that good old Mountain Dew, and them that refuse it are few. Mighty few. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew.
Oh, once I lived in darkness, I was perishing with cold. But the blessed Spirit heard me when I cried. Then I turned my thoughts toward heaven, and it gave furrows of my soul. I'm living on a hallelujah song.
Music is such a growing thing. I mean, I think there's the community involved, getting together, playing, sharing stuff. By training, my career that I make money at is is the science side, so it's the left brain. So music for me is a way to exercise the right brain, and being with a band helps me improve. It forces me to work on things as opposed to just noodling around, and it's a challenge, and I don't want to be embarrassed and show up to practice and not have it done my stuff. So it's a good challenge. Although these guys are very forgiving when I do.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is actually anybody familiar with Marshall Tucker Band? Yeah, the sound man is. A few folks out there. All right, well, this is, if you can imagine a Marshall Tucker Band on uke, this is what you're going to hear. But you don't have to imagine, because it's about to come to reality. And no, this was written by Toy Caldwell, who was a Marshall Tucker Band member, and it was, Pandora is just the best thing, because I discovered so many songs, and I was a Marshall Tucker Band fan, not an avid follower, but liked a lot of their hits, and I heard this on there, and I'm like, I've never heard that before, and I got to do it, and I brought it to the band. They're like, yeah, you got to do it. So here we go. It's called Desert Skies, and
Well, I want to qualify something. She said, took it to the band and said, you got to do it. And I said, no, you got to do it.
I said, okay.
Just point of clarification.
Never hurts. All righty, here we go. Well, I'm riding along, singing the same old cowboy song. It's been sung 100 times before. I ain't got nothing but my name, and I'm the only one that I know to blame. But I'm living happy and I'm free. So just listen to the wind blow, let it blow, let it blow. Sand over my trail. I got my saddle on the ground. That old moody can still be found, hiding in that desert sky. Well, I like the simple things in life, like a prairie breeze and a good stout horse between my knees. Just be alone and just being me. And when I die, let me die with a dream on my mind, and a smile on my face, and no trouble behind, and no cross on my grave to show my resting place. So I can listen to the wind blow, let it blow, let it blow. Sand over my trail. I got my saddle on the ground. That old moody can still be found, hiding in that desert sky. Cowboy Scout, here we go. Da doop ba deep ba dee dee da ba doop dee da la dee da wop ba doopy da ba dee ba dam bump ba dee do da bump ba dee da bump ba dee da bump ba dee da bump ba dee da do 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 zippity da ba da woo, drift along with the tumbling tumbleweeds. Hey hey ay ay yippity ay. Just wanna hear the wind blow, let it blow, let it blow. Sand over my trail. I got my saddle on the ground. That old moody could still be found, hiding in that desert sky. So won't you bury me with my chaps on and my 6-gun strapped to my side, so I can watch the moon hiding in that desert sky. hiding in that desert sky. Hiding in that desert sky.
Thank you, Windy ladies.
Thank you.
Oh, I wanna be a dog. There you go. I wanna wag my tail. Chase cars and knock over garbage cans by the lady that brings the mail. Yeah, I wanna be a dog. Wanna drool on the floor. And get pats on the head, chase cats, get fed, chew your shoes, and bark at the door.
Oh, I wanna have dog breath. I wanna learn to growl. Scratch fleas and ticks and run after sticks. I want the moon to make me howl.
Oh, I wanna be a dog. I wanna dig big holes. I wanna run on the street, get mud on my feet, and jump up onto your clothes. Oh, I wanna have dog breath. I wanna learn to growl. Scratch fleas and ticks and run after sticks. I want the moon to make me howl. We've never harmonized howling before.
No, I like it.
Oh, I wanna be a dog. I want a big wet nose. I already did that.
I think it's my turn.
I think it's your turn. This is what happens when you change the playlist.
Are we ready?
Yeah, let's do the chorus again. Oh, I wanna be a dog. I wanna.
Find a place to start, let us know where it is. And we'll jump right in.
This is just to give you guys more time to practice howling and growling. Oh, I wanna be a dog. I wanna dig big hole. I wanna sniff French poodles and basset hounds and pee on telephone poles. Whee! You got P-mail! Being human these days is getting too crazy. I just want to be a hound. Being human these days is getting too crazy. I just want to be a hound. You know, we messed it up, but it came out all right.
I think that music too, at least, I mean, I've always believed this, but it has just been in the last couple of years that I've truly experienced it, and that is it's incredibly healing. I've had some major life changes the last couple of years, and without this community here, it would have been way more difficult, not just the community standpoint, but just the music. You know, I drag myself to rehearsal and not be in a good place, and, 2 hours later, be heading back to the car with my feet off the ground, feeling good. So it has a tremendous healing power.
It's called the Magic Toy, and there are some sound effects involved with all of this.
When I was just a wee little lass, full of health and joy, my father homeward came one day and gave to me a toy. A wonder to behold it was, with many colors bright. And the moment I laid eyes on it, it became my heart's delight. 'Cause it went, can you go zip, zip? Oh, that zip, zip. It became my heart's delight. 'Cause it went zip when it moved, pop when it stopped, when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will.
So the sounds are zip, pop, and brr.
Do that 3 times fast.
Zip, pop, brr, zip, pop, brr. Oh, yeah, oh, you're good. You're good.
The first time that I picked it up, I had a big surprise. two big buttons that looked like great green eyes. I first pushed one, then the other, then I twisted its lid. And when I put it down again, well, this is what it did. It went, you ready? Zip when it moved, pop when it stopped, when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will. It first marched left, then marched right, then marched under a chair. And when I looked where it had gone, well, it wasn't even there. I started to cry, but my daddy laughed, for he knew I would find. When I turned around, my marvelous toy came chugging from behind. 'Cause it went, ready? Zip when it moved, pop when it stopped, when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will. The years have gone by too quickly, it seems. I have my own girl and boy. And yesterday I gave to them my marvelous little toy. Their eyes nearly popped right out of their heads. They gave a squeal of glee. Neither one of them knows what it is, but they love it just like me. 'Cause it goes zip when it moves and pop when it stops, when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will. Every step we take is on sacred ground here, under a promising sky. Someone or something lived and died all around here, under a promising sky. Oh, promising sky.
We're walking under
Promising sky.
lightning and thunder.
Promising sky.
Here comes the sunshine.
Promising sky.
It's yours and it's mine.
Breathe in the past and breathe out tomorrow, under a promising sky. Today's just a moment's taste of joy and of sorrow, under a promising sky. Oh, promising sky.
We're walking under
Promising sky.
lightning and thunder.
Promising sky.
Here comes the sunshine.
Promising sky.
It's yours and it's mine.
Caught between the earth and the heavens above, under a promising sky. The best we can do is fill the space with love, under a promising sky. Oh, promising sky.
We're walking under
Promising sky.
lightning and thunder.
Promising sky.
Here comes the sunshine.
Promising sky.
It's yours and it's mine.
You are an angel when you open your heart.
Under a promising sky.
You don't need wings to make a brand new start, under a promising sky. Oh, promising sky.
We're walking under
Promising sky.
lightning and thunder.
Promising sky.
Here comes the sunshine.
Promising sky.
It's yours and it's mine.
Promising sky.
We're walking under
Promising sky.
lightning and thunder.
Promising sky.
Here comes the sunshine.
Promising sky.
It's yours and it's mine.
Under a promising sky. Come on, listen, John B. My grandmother and me. Round Nassau town we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight. Well, I feel so break up, I want to go home. I see you singing, that's good. So hoist up the John B. said,
See how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore. Let me go home. Let me go home. I wanna go home. I feel so break up. I wanna go home. First mate, he got drunk, broke into people's trunk. Constable had to come and take him away. Sheriff Johnstone,
Sheriff
why
Johnstone,
don't you leave me alone?
leave me alone.
I feel so break up. I want to go home. Nice and easy. Here we go. So hoist up the John B. sail. See how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore. Let me go home. Very nice. Let me go home. I want to go home. I feel so break up. I want to go home. Poor cook, he got the fits, ate up all of my grits. Then he took and he ate up all of my corn. Let me go home.
Let me go home.
I wanna go home.
I wanna go home.
This is the worst trip since I've been born. Here we go, come on. So hoist up the John B. sail. See how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore. Let me go home. Let me go home. I want to go home. I feel so break up. I want to go home. You know what? They're doing so well. I think we should do another chorus. You ready? So hoist up the John B. sail. See how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore. Let me go home. Let me go home. I want to go home. I feel so break up. I want to go home. Nicely done. I feel so break up. I want to go home. Well done. Well, I know you right are gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yeah, you know you right are gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss your mama rolling in your arms. Well, I'm all alone at midnight and my lamp is burning low. Well, I'm all alone at midnight and my lamp is burning low. I've never had so much trouble, Lord, in my whole life before. And I know you right are gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yeah, I know you right are gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss your mama rolling in your arms. Well, I wish I was a headlight on a southbound train. Yeah, I wish I was a headlight
on a southbound train. I'd shine my headlight through that cool Oregon rain. Hey, well, I know you rider gonna miss me when I'm gone. Well, I know you rider gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss your mama rolling in your arms. Well, the sun's gonna shine on my back door someday. Yeah, that sun's gonna shine on my back door someday. Yeah, and that wind